Hello everyone! Today, I won't be giving out gifts instead. I'll show you how these magical toys come to life. Welcome to our factory. Let's follow it and tour around.
Let's tour the product showroom together.
Diverse play. Learning made fun. For additional products and services, feel free to inquire. Design to printing, one-stop solution. Diverse equipment, catering to varied needs. Disney Certified Factory. Authoritative testing certificates. High-quality printing output, automated production equipment, precision fitting, efficient packaging, rigorous inspection. Such a cozy Christmas gift. It makes a stunning decoration at home.